There is a lot to cover on the topic of decision making. However, our number one priority is practical implementation. Annie Duke, in her book How to Make Decisions, believes that we can waste up to 6 working weeks every year on inconsequential decisions. So let's see if we can make a dent on this straight away with this simple decision support tool. Please enter your email so that we can email you with the robust template for making more complex decisions when you need it. And we can update you when we build more useful tools for you. So here with this tool we have 3 quick tests to see if you should make a quick decision or stop, reflect and take some more time on the important decisions. Question 1. The happiness test. In terms of this decision, will it impact on your happiness 1 week from today? If no, that's probably an indication that this is not an important decision, and that leads you towards a quick decision is probably best. Note the countdown timer. We want your intuition here. We don't need you to overthink these questions. Test number 2. How easy is it for you to reverse the decision? How risky? How costly? E.g. if you make a mistake and you can just return it and get a full refund, then you don't need to spend so much time on making the decision. Test 3. This is designed to stop unnecessary overthinking. E.g. let's say you've shortlisted 2 holidays post-lockdown, one to Spain, another to Greece. If you love them both and you'd be happy with both, then just flip a coin. You don't need to overthink. Congratulations, you've completed the test. These 3 test questions alone will help you to understand whether you need to stop and think in a lot more detail or whether you should just go and get on with it. If you have a positive score, then the chances are you can probably just act quickly. But any doubts, look at the next steps on how to make a robust decision. Click through to our full decision blog post. In that blog we have lots of videos and download templates to help you further. Please bookmark this tool so that anytime you're unsure about a decision, you can quickly get your head around it.